Welcome guys back to a brand new video on Lucky Kitchen. And today, of course, you guys need to learn how to subscribe. So come closer. So here, you click that subscribe button right there. You're gonna hit the post notifications. You gotta hit all so you get every single notification on our videos. Make sure to also like the video and share. Please share. We really need to get this channel more to people, and thank you. 1. Thank you guys for watching today's video. This delicious food. I promise you guys, it's so good. It's so customizable. You can do whatever you want. This recipe is so traditional. So make sure to check another video over there, and make sure to subscribe.